Kita pakai Hayabusa. Semoga kita menang. Musuhnya ada Mia, Granger, Valir, Silong, dan Gatot. Silong Gatot ini susah, kayak sekir rawan. Sekarang dikit execute mudar kita. Aduh, semoga kita menang. Jangan ada yang noob musuh teman kita. Kalau yang noob kita gendong. Hahaha. Hayabusa top global dilawan. Sorry, lagi batuk bro.
Welcome to Global Legends.
Kita farming dulu.
Till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Farming dulu kita. Jangan di skip ya, biar tahu. Kalau skipnya tidak tahu kalian. Tonton aja dari awal, biar tahu prosesnya farmingnya.
Betrayal must be paid back by blood.
Farming dulu.
First blood.
Shadow,
Farming dulu
my
ya.
best partner. The shadow will pierce you. Betrayal must be
Farming terus, sampai jadi. Sialan diambil Gatot, kampret.
Launch attack.
Have you seen any other?
You have slain an enemy. Ally has been slain. Double kill.
Double kill, mantap. Lanjut dulu.
Betrayal must be paid back by blood.
Request backup.
Ayo, Gatot bantuin.
Shadow is my best. Betrayal must be paid back by blood.
An ally has slain the turtle.
The shadow will pierce you.
Launch attack has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Mundur dulu, nggak kuat.
Shadow is my best partner.
Launch attack. An ally has been slain. Enemy has been slain.
Ajar nih palingnya nih. Ajar. Drop paling.
Double kill.
Taruh. Tahu kayak bisa
Obey the
global ini.
mind.
You destroyed the turret.
Anjir, like
Witness the real.
gampang
Enemy
jalan.
has been slain.
Bayangannya nggak masuk tadi, jadi nggak nembak ke dalam bayangannya.
Enemy has been slain.
Farming dulu kita.
My best partner.
Ally has been slain.
Masih
Betrayal
Initiate retreat.
back by blood.
Initiate retreat.
Shadow is my best partner.
tonton terus bro,
Wait.
nanti saya tunjukin build-nya apa aja.
Your
Biar
team
praktis.
destroyed a turret.
Kalian nggak tahu kan build Hayabusa terbaru 2021? Tonton terus
Pain
biar tahu
means weakness.
apa palingnya. Wah, aman ini. Itu.
Unstoppable. Enemy has been slain.
The shadow will pierce you.
I'll take the buff. Ally has been slain.
Nanti di akhir saya bikin bro build-nya ya. Tonton terus saja.
Initiate retreat.
Witness the real power of the shadow.
Ally has slain the turtle. Ally has well played. Well played. Launch attack. Destroy the turret. Launch attack. Our turret. Enemy attack. Slain.
Jalan. Tenang,
Wait.
di awal. Tidak pandai semua
Betrayal
kalau udah
must be
jadi.
paid back by blood.
Satu level lagi. Udah sakit ini. Level 20. Ini Hayabusa.
Is my best partner.
Slain an enemy. Initiate retreat.
Tahu dia. Mundur.
Means weakness.
Initiate retreat. Enemy has been slain.
Betrayal must be paid back by blood.
Request backup. Wait.
Tunggu dulu.
Pain is weakness.
Attack.
Ini.
Request
Lihatnya yang
backup.
sini. Jadi apa sih ini?
Ally has slain the turtle.
Saatnya pembantaian ini.
Pain means weakness.
Double kill. Team destroyed the turret. Shut down.
Jalan.
Ninja.
Lihat aja nanti. Bantai lu. Paling. Berani.
Clear up lanes. Clear up lanes.
Bantai paling lu.
Clear up lanes.
Have you seen any other ninja?
Kita balas palingnya. Kita bantai dia. Nangis.
Well played.
Pain means weakness.
Wait. Ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy. slain.
sampah. Maniak gue di sampah. Sialan.
Push first.
Ngelek-ngelek ini. Gak enak ngelek-ngelek.
Killing spree. Wiped out.
Body
Launch
must
attack.
obey the mind.
Mega kill. Launch attack.
Betrayal must be paid back by blood.
Cuma Hayabusa.
Wait.
Sabar. Kita clear land dulu.
Wait.
Biar minionnya masuk ke depan.
The shadow will pierce.
Ally has been slain.
Ingat kalau pengen menang.
Shut down. Initiate retreat. Enemy has been slain. Clear up lanes. Ally has been slain. Enemy has been slain.
Kabur. Bang bisa lu ngejar
Your
gua.
team destroyed a turret.
Cemen lu.
Pain is weakness.
Darah dulu.
Wait.
Betrayal must be paid back by blood. Pain means weakness.
Clear up lanes. Request backup. Initiate retreat. Shut down.
Anjay. Masuk yuk.
Witness the real power of the shadow. Body must obey the mind. The shadow pierce you.
Clear up lanes.
Kita clear land dulu. Biar minionnya maju.
Choose my best
Bantu
partner.
nyerang.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Bantai nih musuhnya.
Enemy has been slain.
Balas dendam dulu sama Vale
Enemy
ini.
has our turret has been
Ajar
destroyed.
Vale dulu.
Have slain an enemy. Our turret has been destroyed.
Yang bisa apa lu Gatot?
Launch attack. Launch attack.
Kita kejar Silong. Kita kejar. Ya, kita modar duluan dia.
Request
Yalah.
backup.
By blood.
Besokkan dulu. Selesai.
Ally has slain Lord. Launch attack.
Body
Launch
must
attack.
obey the mind.
Shut down.
Kita hajar Granger sama Mia nih. Wah, kabur Granger Mia ya. Mam lo.
Slain an enemy.
Belum tahu Hayabusa gue.
Clear up lanes.
Hayabusa selesai.
Launch attack.
The shadow will pierce you.
Enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
Hajar Vale dulu biar lah. Banyak gaya dia. Mati.
Launch attack.
Anjir.
Obey the man.
Hampir bro.
Launch attack.
Hampir mati.
Killing spree. Your team destroyed the turret.
Sabar. Ini minion yang
Your
sekarang.
team destroyed the turret.
Kita mati.
Mega
Saya
kill.
segera dulu.
Pain me.
Launch attack.
Kita end dulu bro. Ini bro.
Shut down. Enemy has been slain.
Turbonya inget-inget.
Enemy has been slain.
Inget-inget bro kalau pengen menang tuh. Bisa bro. Jangan takut bro. Jangan mesinnya mod.
Kill. Wiped out.
Aman bro.
Victory.
Victory. Apa dulu kita? MVP kan bro.